In this video, we're going to be going over the 90-90 hip bridge with a 2-arm reach and internal rotation bias of the hips. So what we're going to do here, I have a stack of yoga blocks here. This is going to be our hook point for our heels so we get the most out of our hamstrings. You guys do not necessarily need this. It's just a great way to guarantee activation of the hamstrings. A coffee table will work fine for this if you're doing this at home. Sometimes an ottoman at the right height as you compress into it will give you good feedback for the hamstrings. A workout bench gets the job done as well. I prefer this because we can get contact on the wall to simulate the ground, and we can get heel drive to maximize our hamstrings. Does a lot neurologically. I like this a lot if you can make it happen. So PVC pipe is extra bang for your buck for your reach. If you don't have one, it's not a big deal. So we're going to lay on our back. Heels are hooked onto the yoga blocks, feet are flush on the wall. I'm going to have this yoga block here between my knees. Once we feel nice and set up and stacked here, like everything's in good alignment, we're going to open the feet as we maintain a squeeze on the blocks. Feet are just outside of our knees. So from here, the PVC pipe is optional, but it does help get a better reach, and we're going to have our arms up. From here, this is all about making the breath help us get the most out of this. So I prefer to push through my palms here as we do this. We're thinking reach through the pinky side of the palm. We're going to let the hands feel like they're about in line with our nose as they're drifted over our head. We're going to take our first little baby inhale just to get started. And as we exhale, it's full exhalation. The exhalation triggers a reach to the sky, triggers a rib pull to the ground, and our hamstrings are never allowed to stop pulling down on the blocks. As we get to the end of the exhale, the ribs should feel down, abs are on, we inhale slowly, air should go into the chest, not swell not flare the ribs, and then we exhale once we're full. In, chest swells. Once we feel full of air, no neck should kick in. Squeeze the block as you get the hang of it. Pull the heels harder as you get the hang of it. You'll rinse and repeat this for 4 to 6 breaths at a time. The goal is balancing block squeeze and hamstrings of the lower body, reach and rib drop of the upper body. If we can check all these boxes, we will restore a lot of things within our posture, within our mobility, within our joint positioning. It does a lot for us. So practice this. We're going to need, as I mentioned, 4 to 6 breaths, at least 3 to 4 rounds. Some people need up to 6 rounds of this to really relieve lower back tension, relieve the neck, and really get things to be where they need to be. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope this helps. We'll see you on the next one.